Hello, guys. Welcome to today analysis on Aptos. Aptos is hitting support zone and it has bounced up from this zone, which cushion the confirmation that a rally has just begun in Aptos. This is the best time to start buying Aptos if you sold earlier or you haven't been trading in Aptos. When you look at this analysis, I'll be starting from this point onward. That's on the mini resistance zone that Apto hit. When you look at the price, it has this explosive volume, but the bar closes towards the bottom of its range around the 20% to the low. That's a very that's a very bad situation a bar can close, because such action is telling us that the buyers have finally lost control and the sellers are the one taking charge of the price. When this price occur, it has about four inside bars. Out of the four inside bars, three were below average volume, and then the price closed down rapidly below the 50-day moving average. It dropped back almost to the 200-day. Okay, it's even break below the 200-day moving average, and it's now establishes support on this bar. While it established support on this bar, we have this above average volume that stopped the downward correction. The bar closes around the peak of its range, which is a very nice price action, and that finally puts stop on the downward correction. The price continued to range after this bar occur. While it was ranging on the support, the volume on the chart was well below the average volume. That's also something nice, and it's also something to consider. And when you look at the price movement now, it's like having a rally grudgingly heading towards the 200-day and the 50-day moving average line. And immediately you find its way above this level, it will continue a rally upward towards its prior resistance zone at point 3. Until it gets to this point, then we will now watch it closely if it's going to break through it decisively or if it's going to reverse from that point on downward again. Let me zoom out and let me show you what happened in the big picture. When you look at the chart from the left side, you will see that when the market bottom from when the coin was introduced, it continued to have a downward correction, and when the market bottom, a rally started. Why this rally started, it shoots the price up to point 1. There are some things that happen on this rally. Look at it very closely. You will see that it has all these skyscrapers volume in blue. What these are telling us is that there are more buyers during this period than sellers, and the scenario changes after point 1. The sellers come in, they whack the price with their explosive volume coming in, and then the price continue to drop. Why the price continue to drop, it gets to some stage, it traded in sideways trading, and then it gained momentum on the downside again. But this last leg of the drop, it's now having a change in character. The volume is not as high as the volume started when, as the volume was huge when the correction started, and it's now hitting a support zone. While it's on support zone, volume keeps trying up. That's also a sign that the sellers are being whacked, and any moment from now the buyers will come in with full volume and overwhelm the sellers. The big picture of Aptos show a uptrend that has started and is taking correction at the moment. It now touches the support zone and it's now bouncing up that support zone. That's a very nice price activity. Our focus is now on the projection. The projection is the same percentage we calculated from the market rally area towards point 1. That's about 584% increase is what we'll be projecting from our last resistance zone, which we mark as uptrend resume area, upward to what's the price. Let me zoom out so I can get the price on the chart to around 92.2. If this price finally gets to this 92.2, that is when it will have another significant correction. And the big picture as it's appeared to you, you can see the trend has started from the beginning of the year, taking some breaths, and it's showing bottom. So the rally will continue from then onward. If this analysis really help you in your trading, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to encourage me to post more beautiful analysis on your favorite cryptocurrency, like the video, share with your friends, and hit the bell button. Anytime I upload, you can always receive a notification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next analysis. Bye.